Nature, the color green, not concrete. The color of the dirt. Almost every person who rides trails feels a sense of belonging to the countryside. Our passion for trail riding and rally racing inspired us to develop a dedicated gear for this sport, presenting the all-new Corbett off-road suit. An outer shell designed for those who prefer to wear body armor and knee braces, rather than the conventional riding gear. An outer shell that is more breathable than a jersey without sacrificing abrasion resistance on and off the road. Our quest for hunting trails usually requires us to travel some distance on a tarmac, which makes abrasion resistance a particularly crucial aspect for off-road gear. This is why the outer shell of Corbett is a combination of heavy-duty 3D mesh panels and Cordura in the impact zones. An outer shell built with heavy-duty 3D mesh allows for uninterrupted airflow during strenuous rides without weighing you down. In the front, there are multiple pockets for easy access to energy bars, time cards, or your phone. In addition, it features a cargo pocket at the back for quick access to your rain gear. As with the jacket, the pants have the same heavy-duty 3D mesh construction and are reinforced at the knee and hips to protect against abrasion. Moving your body on the bike is effortless thanks to stretch fabric behind the shoulder blades and groin area. The pants are sized to fit knee braces that are bulkier. The shin is tapered, allowing you to wear them inside the MX or ADV boots, causing no discomfort. To make this even cooler, the Corbett suit comes with the option to have your name and race number printed on the jacket to make it truly yours. Let's get hunting.